the next Ipsy Boxycharm. So this should be September 2023. Let's get it open. Let's check it out. Safety first. All right, so September box, we've got paper, another newsletter. I got Refreshments Velvety Body Cream Citrus Spritz, Purlisse Dragonfruit Niacinamide Exfoliator. Ooh. MOBEAUTY Divinely Defined Precision Brow Pencil and Brush in Dark Brown. Alloy Cheek Duo Palette. Ooh, Natasha Denona. Blush and Bronze Powder Super Glow Highlighting Palette. Interesting. Tarte Maneater Waterproof Mascara. And it's black. Great, like my soul. Last thing is Cab Felt Tip Eyeliner Duo in Matte Black. Fascinating. Velvety Body Cream in Citrus Spritz. Did not see this in my list of picks, so my hands were a little dry, so this, I don't know, I don't think it's citrus spritz. It doesn't smell like that. Maybe like the citrus rind, maybe. It's not very like light citrus that you would typically think that it would be. It's more like the rind of the citrus. The exfoliator, I will have to use that tonight. Check that out. I'll let you guys know down in the description box how that is. All right, so we've got the Natasha Denona Alloy Cheek Duo Bronze and Glow Palette. This is the one product that I was the most curious about, but also the most skeptical. The color that they were pre-showing me, I'm not sure if it's really gonna match my complexion. So let's take a look. And this is the color of the palette. So it's, I don't know, it's pretty. I just don't know if it's the right color for me. The highlighter, it's pretty. So what I think I might use the bronzer for, I've seen a lot of other people use bronzer in this way. Use it as eyeshadow. You know, don't use it to contour your face necessarily, but use it as eyeshadow. I think that's what I'm gonna do with it. I just feel like it's a bit too dark for my complexion, unfortunately. But that's okay. You know, I think I can still use this product, and I'm excited to test out all the other product too, because I think that's where my money's worth is gonna come from. It seems that almost every box there's at least one item that I'm just not driving. Last box, it was the felt tip liner. So I'm excited that they gave me another felt tip eyeliner duo to try out instead, because that other one ended up in the trash. So yeah, let's try this as eyeshadow. And I think that is actually a beautiful color for a crease for me. I just don't think I'd bronze my face with it. I just think it's way too dark of a color for my complexion. But I'm happy to use it as a eyeshadow. That's beautiful. Okay, and I'm trying to stay in the Ipsy realm, so I'm gonna go back to the Berries and Cream Dreams eyeshadow palettes. All these beautiful colors, and I'm just gonna pair the tans and stuff with this color. So like this tan and this tan, that tan. So beautiful colors. Natasha Denona, the highlighter, and I'm gonna use that as the center of my eye look. Ooh, silky smooth, pretty. Blush and bronzer. That is too dark of a color. That's way too dark of a color for a blush bronzer for me. The highlight though, I think the highlight is beautiful. I think I'm gonna use the highlight on the rest of my face as well as an eyeshadow. I think the eyeshadow idea is brilliant with this. All right, so next thing that we're gonna go into I'm going to do my brows for the very first time. I've actually never used a brow pencil. So this is MOBEAUTY Definely Defined Precision Brow Pencil and Brush in dark brown. I think my brows are nice, but I think that they could use some shaping, some help. Got one end that says brush and one end that says define. So I'm going to brush and then we're gonna define. All right, so a lot of videos from what I've seen, in the front you push your eyebrows up and then the tail end you brush down. Okay, so brush, good, and then define, dark brown. Oh, it is it's a crayon, a twist tip crayon, dark brown. So I'm going to just get a little, and it's triangle shaped. So I'm gonna use like the tip of the triangle to kind of help like make some hairs almost. And then I think if you wanted to do like a line, you would kind of like a calligraphy pen, kind of hold it at an angle and use it that way. So let's see the trouble that I can get into with this. If you guys haven't seen my other eyebrow debacle video, highly recommend that. Such a ridiculous thing. So all right, so albeit for my terrible skills with makeup, because I don't use this product very much. It's something that I'd love to get proficient at, but I am terrible at it. This product I actually really do like. If I had better technique, I'm sure it would look even better, but this is what I've got, so this is what we're gonna go with. So moving on from that, we're gonna go to the Felt Tip Eyeliner by Cab, and it's a duo. So there's 2 sticks in here. One is matte black and matte black. So I guess you get 2. That's kind of nice. One for now, one for later. Ooh, yeah. Way thinner than the last one. All right, let's test this out. Ooh. Very thin line. It being felt, it's a bit stiff to work with. But it's actually gliding over the product very well. So I do like that. That's very nice. All right, other side. Trying to get it very, very close to my eyelash line. All right, so Cab Matte Black. I actually really like this product. This was a really good product compared to the last felt tip eyeliner that they had in the last Ipsy Boxycharm. And I get 2 of these. So I get this one to use, and then I have another one that as soon as this is gone, I have a backup. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty good. I like it. I like it. All right, and then moving to the Tarte Maneater Waterproof Black Mascara. Another product that I was super excited to see that I was gonna get. This is my very first Tarte product that I've ever got to try. So I'm very excited about that. I've heard great things about the mascara and the eyeliner, so. Ooh, this thing is huge. Thick boy, thick boy. It's like freaking baton. You can like whack somebody with it. Wow. Okay, the wand, fascinating. Spiky, individual spiky, waterproof, 6-month shelf life. Now my only issue with eye makeup in general is my eyes can be a little sensitive. So depending on the ingredients of this product, it might really irritate my eyes. We shall see, but you know, let's give it a try. Ooh, okay. It individualizes each one of my eyelashes. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. I think that's actually absolutely gorgeous. I think that it looks so good. Oh man, I actually really like this. I really like this, and I really like the Cab eyeliner. These are like my favorites so far out of the entire box. So that was everything. That was all the makeup and everything. So let me finish up my face, and then let's talk about the products. All right, so this is the finished makeup look with today's Ipsy Boxycharm for September 2023. I am actually really excited about a lot of the products that I got out of this box. The body cream, I actually really like the scent of it. Was not expecting this. This was a random that came in the box. The exfoliator, I'm actually really excited to use. So I'll let you guys know how that goes tonight when I go to take off my makeup. It's supposed to be for all skin types. The Natasha Denona Alloy Cheek Duo Bronze and Glow Palette. I think it's great that I have this so I can use it for other uses than what it was intended for. The color that they picked out for me, it's just not gonna work for me. I'm not gonna feel comfortable wearing it. It's too dark for my complexion, and you know what? That's okay. It's actually beautiful as an eyeshadow palette. And then the highlighter, I did end up using the highlighter on the face, and I think it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So I'm excited to have that. And then the stars of the show, oh my goodness. Eyebrow pencil, I love the eyebrow pencil. I just don't know how to use eyebrow pencils. So sorry about that you guys have to cringe through that. I'm hoping that by having this product and the more that I use it, I'm gonna look up some tutorial videos and see if I can get better at my technique for my eyebrows. But I actually really liked this. I think it's nice. My shout out goes to Cab for the felt tip liner. A little stiff to use, but it glided over like the sparkle of the highlighter and everything, and it actually gave a very precision look. So absolutely love that. And I got 2. I've got one to use and then one as a backup. Like, who doesn't love that when you love the product and you've got a second one? That's awesome. And then Tarte Maneater Waterproof Black Mascara. You guys, I'm sold. I'm sold. I needed a new mascara. I was using Maybelline Falsies. That's been my new main. But this Maneater mascara, wow, you guys. I feel like it individualized each one of my eyelashes and it's not irritating my eyes so far. So I'm really excited about that. And it's waterproof. That's pretty awesome. And the black is black. So all in all, with everything that I got out of September 2023, I actually really loved. I really, really loved. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you in my next video.